morning, student. So last class discussed about the general information about the immunity. Immunity means finally resistance to the disease. How they are protecting, self-protection. So generally, naturally, there are numerous microorganisms also living outside of the animal body. Against these numerous microorganisms, some are useful, some are harmful. If the harmfuls are entered, so immunity system can able to activation. So this immune system, body resistant to the disease, come under immunity system. Already discussed about the immunity system is classified into main basic categories. So one is the innate immunity, other is the acquired immunity. So innate immunity discussed last class. Today I am discussing about simple information about the acquired immunity. Acquired means, so any organism after birth is during his lifetime acquiring naturally or artificially acquired immunity system is called as acquired immunity system. You know, acquired means it is also called as adaptive immunity system. Adopt is not a specific. So after by birth, during his lifetime, any organism acquire the immunity system, acquire immunity, antibodies or the sensitized cells, so are acquired artificially is called as acquired immunity system or adaptive immunity system. So these acquired or adaptive immunity system further classified into two main. There are active acquired immunity system, other is a passive acquired immunity system. Active acquired immunity system, passive acquired immunity system. Active, it means during his lifetime, if there any microbes are enter into the animal body, harmful matters are enter into the animal body, so body responding. It means active acquired. Active means antibodies are production is takes place. So this body respond. No any other antibodies are not transmitted one person to other person. The individual producing antibodies can against the fight to the antigen. So these immunity come under the active acquired immunity system. Passive acquired immunity system means, so here the antibodies or the sensitized cells are donate or received from sensitized person, or so donors from the antibodies are received from the donor to recipient. So actually a person cannot contain any antibodies. So which are already sensitized cells are more out there, acquired cells are more out there, antigens or antibodies are more out there. The antibodies are transmitted from one person to other person. It means donor to recipient. Through this what happens in the recipient, immunity system is also development is taking place. Such group of immunity system discussed under the passive acquired immunity system. So these active acquired immunity system further classified into main categories. On the natural acquired immunity system, artificial acquired immunity system. So natural acquired immunity system means, so naturally. So any individual, they can able to exist individually. So naturally numerous diseases takes place. For example, smallpox is there. So smallpox, there is no any specific of medicine. So they can enter, body responding. After some time, the smallpox is disappear. We got an active here, natural acquired immunity. So naturally, antigens are enter into the animal body. Against the antigen, body responding, naturally responding. Through the response, the disease of purification is takes place. These immunity come under natural acquired immunity. So next, artificial acquired immunity. So here any disease caused agents when enter into the animal body, so then what happens? The body also responding. The response is not enough to killing that particular antigen. At that time, what happens here means the vaccines are introduced. BCG vaccine, polio vaccine, corona vaccine. The vaccines, all vaccines are come under artificial acquired immunity system. The sensitized cell or the antibodies are transmitted from one person to other person is come under artificial acquired immunity system. All the vaccines, so vaccination come under the acquired or artificial acquired immunity system. So next, passive acquired immunity system is also further classified into two main categories. There are natural passive acquired immunity, artificial passive acquired immunity. So passive means antibodies, more antibodies contain donor to recipient, they can able to transmit. So here passive acquired immunity system, similar question, two main categories are there. There are number one, natural passive acquired immunity system, artificial passive acquired immunity system. First is the natural passive acquired immunity system. So here, so it is naturally, for example, child embryonic development, when the child is after implantation, embryonic development is takes with the uterus of mother. From mother to immunity system is passed the child through the placenta. So this kind of immunity system come under natural passive acquired. Here what happened? Mother to child through the placenta. So here when it is also transmitted, mother is the more antibody containing person. So a child is embryonic embryo is the they don't contain any immunity system. Here what happened? Mother to child, the antibodies are transmission through the placenta. So this transmission come under the natural passive acquired immunity. So next one, artificial passive acquired immunity. So here artificial passive acquired immunity means, so here already sensitized person, already immunity more containing person, they are called as donors. Donor to transmit the recipient. Then what happens? The recipient is also respond to the disease. So here the transmission of antigens from donor to recipient is called as come under the artificial passive acquired. So like that, acquired immunity or adaptive immunity is also very important. So adaptive immunity is observed by birth. A person during his lifetime, they can attaining acquiring naturally. So adaptation and development is takes place come under acquired immunity system or adaptive immunity system. So this is classified into main categories: active acquired immunity system, passive acquired immunity system. Active means so without transmission, body existing, body can able to respond against the antigen. It is further classified into main categories: natural acquired immunity system, artificial acquired immunity system. So natural acquired immunity system means naturally. So when the antigens are entered, body can able to respond. Through the response, what happens? The antigens are killed. Such kind of immunity system come under the natural acquired immunity system. Artificial acquired immunity system means all the vaccines. So sensitized cells. So vaccines are through the vaccination, through the sensitized cell introduction. So body responding against the antigen, against the disease come under artificial acquired immunity system. Passive means one person to other person. Donor to recipient. What happens? Transmission is takes place. What transmission? Antigens or the sensitized cell can able to transmit from one person to other person. Come under passive acquired immunity system. So it is further classified into many categories. There are natural passive acquired immunity system, artificial passive acquired immunity system. So natural passive acquired immunity system, mother to child. What happens? Antigens are passed, transmit from mother to child through a placenta. Is come under natural passive acquired immunity system. Artificial passive acquired immunity system means sensitized cells, already more immunity system containing person through that particular person to transmit from disease caused agent, disease caused person. So the disease caused person is called a recipient. So more containing person is donor. Donor to transmit the immunity system agents, transmit from one person to other person. Through that what happens? Immunity system development is takes place. This is discussed under the artificial passive acquired immunity system. So like that, acquired immunity system is also basically two main group: active, passive. Active two main group: natural acquired, artificial acquired. So passive also two types: natural passive, artificial passive immunity system. Like that, immunity system is also broad classification is taken basically two main group: innate, acquired. Innate discussed last class, acquired discussed